Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Huawei launched their three new MatePad series with a MatePad Pro 12.6 inch, 10.8 inch, and alongside with the MatePad 11. It's a big day for the Huawei with a plethora of the software and hardware announcement with the Harmony OS 2.0 is now officially launched. Huawei announced its first set of the tablet powered by in-house operating system Harmony OS. The MatePad Pro 12.6 inch is a true flagship offering set to go against the likes of Samsung Galaxy Tab S series and Apple's iPad Pro lineup. There is a smaller 10.8-inch version that runs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, the first such Huawei device in long while. The MatePad 11 is a more affordable offering targeting students with the same great software feature found on the more expensive model and a last year Snapdragon 865 SoC at the helium. First of all, we're talking about the MatePad Pro 12.6 inch and 10.8 inch. The new MatePad Pro bring us our first glimpse into Harmony OS 2.0 for the tablet, and with the available large screen real estate, Huawei made to incorporate some multitask friendly changes. The home screen is not just a cluster for apps but rather a desktop like experience with a separate dock and widget, controller panel, and a focus and a reachable that the shift all in one app function bars to the side. Huawei is bringing enhanced mouse support through the OS with a live app previous, further reinforcing the desktop-like experience. Multi-screen collaboration is making a return here, allowing you to mirror your Huawei phone display on the MatePad to drag and drop files, answer call, or type away your messages. Mirror mode goes a step further this year by allowing you to link the tablet to compatible Windows-powered Huawei laptop. User will be able to use the tablet as a standalone drawing device. Apps like the Photoshop or even use the MatePad Pro display as a secondary monitor to spirit their workflow. Shifting on the hardware side, MatePad Pro 12.6 inch come with a 12.6 inch OLED display with a 2560 by 1600 pixel resolution and a bit at standard 60 Hz refresh rate. The 10.8 inch has an IPS LCD that refresh at 120 Hz of the same resolution. Huawei incorporated this selfie camera in the middle of the side bezels, which leans a more traditional laptop-like feel during video calls. The panel support HDR10 content playback and it covers the entire DCI-P3 color gamut. You also get a 8-speaker tuned by Harman Kardon and for microphone for a voice pick it up to 5-meter distance. Huawei in-house Kirin 9000E chipset sits at the helium for the large 12.6 inch model, while the smaller 10.8 inch get a Snapdragon 870. Both model get 8 gigs of RAM and either 128 and 256 GB storage. There are 3 cameras on the back with the dedicated 3D depth sensor. Huawei claim up to 14 hours of maxed use on a single charge with the MatePad 12.6 Pro. Thanks to the massive 10,000 mAh battery, you also get a 40-volt fast wired charging, 27-watt wireless charging, and 10-watt reverse wireless top-ups. The 10.8 inch version gets a 7250 mAh battery. Both models support Huawei new M Pencil stylish and a smart magnetic keyboard. The new MatePad Pro comes in a green and white color. The MatePad Pro 12.6 inch will available for €799. Availability and pricing for the 10.8 inch MatePad model and other region will follow next some days. Now talking about the Huawei MatePad 11. The non-Pro MatePad 11 gets a 10.95-inch LCD panel, which again packs a 2560 by 1600 same resolution and a refresh rate up to 120 Hz. There are a quiet speaker setup at the same Harman Kardon sound tuning alongside the 4 microphones. Huawei optioned for the older Snapdragon 865 here, which will still deliver snappy performance. You get a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gig storage. The battery is listed 7250 mAh and support 22.5 volt fast charging. The tablet is also compatible with the new M Pencil and has its own small smart keyboard. The MatePad 11 will available for €399, but final availability detail will be announced later from Huawei. So this is the latest Huawei MatePad Pro tablet. Let me know in the comments section which one you most like it, and also like this video, subscribe my channel for more amazing tech videos and news. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.